Hi everyone, my name is Danielle from the Green Collective. I'm going to show you how to fix the tap that's in the wrong position on your new urban composter. As you can see, this one is not sitting straight down. Very easy fix. All you need to do is unscrew the tap, and inside your bucket you'll notice a white knot at the very bottom. This is the problem. All you need to do is take this white knot, turn it a quarter turn, and then place it back all the way down in a snug position. All you need to do now is to screw back your tap on. If it doesn't face down, do it again. Turn your knot one more time. As you can see now, the tap is facing down. That's all. Fix the tap. Happy composting, everyone.